What if you could generate Hollywood cinematic videos, explosions, car chases, paragliders launching off cliffs from a single image and a text prompt? No camera, no crew, no budget. This is BytePlus Seedance 1.5 Pro, and it gives you 2 million free tokens on signup. No credit card. Let's go. Go to BytePlus.com, scroll down to Dreamina Seedance 2.0 and click it. Hit Start Now, then go to Playground and sign in with your Google account. No credit card needed. You are now on the video generation page. Click the model dropdown and switch from Dreamina Seedance 2.0, which is paid, to ByteDance Seedance 1.5 Pro. This is our free model. Check your account panel. 2 million free tokens. Settings at the bottom let you choose 480p, 720p, or 1080p, and video length from 4 to 12 seconds. One important button, draft mode. Always keep this on. It generates a cheap preview first so you can check the result before spending full tokens on HD. The workflow is simple. Generate an image in ChatGPT first, then bring it into BytePlus as the starting frame and animate it. 2 steps, every video. Head to chatgpt.com and paste this image prompt. A heavily armored soldier in tactical military gear running through a war-torn urban street, explosions erupting in the background sending debris and fire into the air, thick smoke billowing across the scene, rubble and destroyed buildings on both sides, dramatic, harsh lighting, intense cinematic war photography style, ultra-realistic 8K 16:9 aspect ratio. Download the image. Back in BytePlus, click the first frame button and upload it. Set 16:9, 480p, draft mode on, 1 video. This costs 48,211 tokens. Now paste the video prompt. The soldier sprints hard through the debris-filled street, boots kicking up dust with each stride. An explosion detonates to the right. The shockwave hits the soldier physically, pushing them sideways mid-run. The soldier staggers, recovers, and continues forward. Smoke billows in layers, handheld camera shaking from explosion vibrations. Fire crackles, debris falls with accurate physics. Distant gunfire fills the audio. Generate. Look at this. Soldier running, explosion behind him, smoke, debris, sound. This is a Hollywood war scene, generated in under a minute, for free. Now click Generate High Definition, select 720p, and after 2 minutes it upgrades. Download it. ChatGPT for the image, free. BytePlus Seedance 1.5 Pro for the video, free with 2 million tokens. Draft first, upscale when happy, download. Hollywood Cinematic AI Video, 0 rupees. Hit subscribe. Every week I cover free AI tools like this, and next week is something you genuinely do not want to miss. I'll see you there.